What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back at another job. Been working on this big deck. We've replaced all the upper decking with Trex. Got the posts for the handrail cut in, and we've got cut out for the 6x6s because this side of the deck is going to have a screen room. So the next thing I'm going to do is take that trim off so we can put the ledger board across here to run our rafters for our screen room. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we got the two 6x6 posts up. The first header is up. The first rafter on each side is up. And the ledger's anchored in. So now we're going to take and put a 2x4 brace across the 6x6s, get our second header up, and then start flying the rest of the rafters. I've got all the rafters flown up there, screwed in, secured. So tomorrow we'll start on the wall framing, and if we get that done, deck the roof. What is going on, Pro Cutters? All right, back on the deck job, and you can see we've got all the 4x4 posts up. There'll be a screen door right there. I've already got the header cut. That'll go across the top of the screen door. Just got to add a 2x4 across the top there for the screen to hook to and secure all the bottoms. Tomorrow we're going to deck the roof. And the last bit of framing we have to do is replace these old stairs. And we've got a 2x12 so we can cut new risers for the stairs. So that's all today. Check you guys out tomorrow. Thanks for watching. What's going on, Pro Cutters? Back with another one, and we're here on the screen room build, and now we're shingling the roof. So I've measured up where I need to measure and snapped a chalk line across the roof, and I've already laid down the first row of shingles except for this last one, which will be a partial, and the second row. And you can see you overlap, the edge of the shingle comes out to the edge up here, and then you're wanting to overlap half of the shingle so your seams are covered. So everything is waterproof and shingles off. Alright guys, so the shingles are done. Just need to run a bead of silicone across the top of those shingles there. Other than that, our roof is finished. Alright guys, got this job wrapped up for the moment because we need to wait for the wood to dry so we can stain it, and we're going to do that before we put the screen on. So the railings are on, the roof is all shingled in, some of the electrical is roughed in. So we're going to wait for the wood to dry for a few weeks so it can be stained, and then in another week or so the Trex fascia board for that is going to come in, and then we'll add fascia and trim up there. We'll add a gutter and a downspout, and then once the fascia board goes around the deck, we'll be able to rebuild our stairs and cover them with Trex as well. And we're waiting on our screen door to come in as well. So there it is. Thanks for watching. John with ProCut signing out.